What's up, free mind? You might have a goal in your mind, but you don't know how to start, where to start. You are dreaming about the goal, but you are not able to achieve it. Everyone faces the same issue because nobody taught us how to create our own path to achieve the success. Today, we will talk about the processes to achieve the goals. Welcome to the Free Mind Wins channel. My name is Sanjay Panda. The goal behind this channel is learning by sharing and achieving by doing with similar mind people. The channel is helpful for anyone who wants to get out from their busy work life and enjoy a healthy, wealthy and happy life. To achieve that, you have to free up your mind and think about what matter most. I am excited. Let's get started. Today we will talk about wealth goal only. But this goal setting process is applicable to any goal which you have in your mind. You can just apply this process to create your path and achieve the success. Stay with me till end of this video. I will share my 3 tips which will help you boost your outcome with your success journey. Before we understand the process, I would like to discuss about goal in more details. This will help us to understand why process is needed to achieve the goal. We think our goal is pretty much static. We decide once and it will be same till the end. Yeah, somewhat you are correct. Let's take an example. When you set a goal to be a doctor, the goal is not specific. It's just a broad goal. When you start learning about the profession, you discover your interest and choose them, like doctor in neurology, doctor in gynecology, or etc. There are also sub professions like surgeon or medicine. When someone set a goal to be a doctor, they don't know what they will become upfront. They find the whole profession interesting and start searching for their specific domain as a goal. From the broader goal of becoming a doctor to reaching to a particular profession takes process. If your goal is to become wealthy, there is no step-by-step process or a business formula which will take you to the goal. You have to follow a process to reach to your end goal. A general convention about a doctor is who treat, cure and save others' life. That is the end goal of a doctor. Similarly, if you want to be a wealthy person, if your business idea is impacting millions of people, then definitely you will earn millions and you will become wealthy. Keep this formula in your mind while you are building your process of goal setting to becoming a wealthy person. You will not get the perfect idea by sitting just one day. You have to start thinking about it every day until your idea matches your goal. Let's understand what are the steps you need to take to create your process and reach your success. Thinking plays a vital role to find your goal. But does only thinking can guarantee your success? No, we have to add action as our friend to achieve the success. The formula of success is thinking plus action equals to success. Do you agree on this? Write your thoughts on the comment below. Thinking plus action is success. Always keep this into your mind. This will be your weapon for success. It is the weapon. Every day you need to use it to get the success. Suppose you want to move out from your comfort zone. You want to be expert in your skills. Then what you need to do? You have to think about it and take the action and do it. Now you decided that you want to become a wealthy person. Well, what is your actions? You already think about you wanted to be a wealthy person. Then you have to now do it. As I mentioned previously, I'll just remind you, these actions just not for only building your wealth journey. You can apply this one for any kind of goal setting and accomplishing that goal. Step 1. Educate yourself about the goal. You have to acquire knowledge about your goal. Before that, it is essential to understand what you already know and what you want to find out. Ask yourself questions and list them down. Questions like, is wealth is money? Or only working hard can bring me wealth? How time is money for wealth? I created a video few months before about the wealth and characteristics of a wealthy person. Please check out the I icon to find out the link. YouTube is a great place to find all of your questions answers, but I will recommend reading books. It takes you very deep inside the concept and help you plan your action better. Step 2. Get inspiration from some of the top achievers of that goal. Learn about a wealthy person's life. Don't only look for their achievements and success, but also look for their failures. You will also find the process how they become successful. This will specifically help you when you are in the lowest moment on this process. List out all the abstract characteristics you find of those wealthy persons. Step 3. Find out the mindset change and the skills required. Everyone feels they lack something, either intelligence, smartness or some skills. Few of them go ahead and fix those thinking and grow to success. How do you identify your skill gaps or you need a mindset change, it is simple two-step process. You have to sit down. If you need, just grab a coffee and go inside deep in your mind and find out which things you feel less confident about, which things your mind always criticize you. Then the second thing, once you have list of things which you lack confidence on or you need to improve the skills, you have to find 3 top skills which is aligned with your goal. To understand more about this wealthy mindset and traditional mindset, please check out my video. Check the eye icon here. Step 4. Start building the skills and change your mind. Once you understand what are the skills you need to learn to transform yourself, the process of learning and applying those skills is much simpler but not easy. Why it is simple, not easy? It is simple because your goal is aligned with your created plan. Every time you complete one skill, you don't need to think about what you need to learn. You have all the plan, all the skills listed. You just jump into the next skill and learn it. You are not taking decisions again and again. This is a transformation journey. Every step your mind will tell you to stop, but you fight your mind to get the success. Step 5. Get experience on those skills. You now learn a new skill but never used it. An unsharpened needle cannot do the work efficiently. It is essential to apply your new learned skill to a work to make it sharpen. Then when the time comes, your skill is ready to be used. Step 6. List out all the ideas coming to your mind. When you complete all these above 5 processes we talked about, you will see your mind started generating ideas. Some ways, try to capture those ideas. Either create a WhatsApp self group and put all your ideas there, or create a notebook where you jot down all your ideas, or you can create a box called idea box and put all the ideas in a slip of papers. You will forget soon all these ideas. I strongly recommend keep those ideas somewhere safe, so then when it's needed you are able to retrieve it. Step 7. Start working on your ideas by using your new learned skills. By now you will have lots of ideas. You have to decide which one you need to start that aligned with your goal. Don't think about all the buts, what, why coming into your mind. Just ask this question: can this idea help me to reach my goal? This is the 7 steps you need to follow. Congratulations, now you learn all the 7 steps to achieve your goal and bring success. Repetition is key here. I put repetition as another step, which is the 8th step. You have to repeat all this process 1 to 7 step again and again for each idea. Suppose, take example, you want to start a business which provide software as a service. You begin to find out what all the sub layers of the goal for this idea. Like, are you registering for LLC company, creating a presence in online by creating a website, hiring an accountant, hiring a new employee, deciding which kind of software service you are going to provide. You have to mind dump all these tasks coming to in your mind. Some will be 1 to 2 days work and some will be need months as you need to learn a new skill. Let's say you don't have a clue about how to set up a business. For that you need to research about, you have to learn new things to build this business. Repeating this 7th step will help you to go in depth in each layer to succeed on your goal. The above process steps are not the only step you need to stick to. You can be more creative when you just go through this process with one idea. Then you can find out which works for you and which doesn't work for you. You just add or reorder this process according to your fit. As promised, my top 3 tips to boost your outcome. Bonus tips number 1. Read a motivational book or self-development book, or listen to a audible every day morning for 25 minutes. Times comes, you will feel demotivated and you will find you don't have much willpower left. Motivation from your trusted author or from a motivational speaker is a game changer. Tips number 2. Daily exercise for 15 minutes or go for a walk for 25 minutes. It is more important than ever. We all working from home and going out very less. Join your nearest gym or go for a walk to your nearest park. A 15-minute exercise generates dopamine to keep you happy. You can focus things better. Tips number 3. 5 to 10 minutes breaks in every 2 hours. Make your mind relax for some time. When you work for long hours without resting, by the end of the day, we lose all of our energy and willpower. So we can't focus on other things which important to us, like this goal setting and working on this goal. Every 2 hours, set a timer for 5 minutes and just relax. Don't think of anything. Take 10 deep breathe. Please share your best way to set your goal and processes in the comment box below. It will help everybody to learn from you as well. In our next video, we will talk about what are the roadmaps available for a wealthy person. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you on next video.